guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you something a little bit different for my channel, and it's a subscription box, which is a bi-monthly subscription box that was sent to me. It's by American Influencer Beauty, and I thought it would be cool to share something like this because it's $34 a month and you get it every other month, and they're full-size products. I think that's a great deal, and it's all based on influencers, so let's check it out. First of all, the box is so cute. I'm sure you can reuse it to store other items. I was super excited to get it, and you can see how cute and pink and iridescent it is. They also do the American Influencer Awards. If you guys watched that last year, they had that. I think it's great that they're using influencers to share what they're creating. So let's open this up. Right when you open it, it has this that says be strong, be beautiful, be you, and it comes with this little card here that tells you about the influencer. Here they tell you about the products you're getting. This month is Manna Kadar Beauty, and you can see her picture here, and I'll be leaving a discount code in the description box below where you can get 10% off if you want to go ahead and sign up. I think that if you sign up for like 6 months or 12 months, it's even cheaper, so check that out as well. So let me share what comes in this box. The first item is this spray. It's a hydration happy face mist. I love the name of this. It's a full-size product. It's perfect to hydrate your skin before and after makeup. So let's check it out. See. It has such a beautiful scent. It's like a very fresh floral scent. I love it. It's rose gold at the top. It's a clear cap, and the design on the packaging is so cute. I love it. It's pink, like rose gold. So it's a full-size product. This one's valued at $19. The other product is a lash serum. It's supposed to help grow your eyelashes and make them thicker. It says it can make them shinier and healthier, so I can't wait to try this. It says that you can apply 1 to 2 times daily on dry lashes, so it's a perfect time to try something like this since most of us are home and not wearing that much makeup, so it's fun to try new products. It also comes with this mascara. It's a volumizing mascara that won't weigh down lashes, and they appear fuller. And what I noticed is that the wand does have like little lash hairs to make them appear fuller. But I really like this one. I love all the packaging. It's like this really pretty rose gold packaging. Hopefully will give me a little bit more volume on my lashes. And this one's valued at $29. And you also get this bronzer blush. So let's open this. I love the packaging. It's very elegant and kind of high-end, and it does come with the bronzer that has a little bit of sparkle, and the blush, which is a perfect color for summer, and it does have a mirror. And it also comes with this HD perfecting powder, and this one is valued at $29, and it's long wearing universal powder for all skin tones, and it keeps the makeup put all day long. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. And it also has a mirror, and I love the little design here. I think Chanel has something similar to this, and it does have, I think I know what the scent is. It kind of reminds me of the CoverGirl face powders. I don't know if you guys remember those, or I don't know if they still make them, but I love that scent. It kind of reminds me of CoverGirl, but I love when makeup smells good, so this is a good one. I love lip products. So the last thing I got is a lip gloss, which says it's a priming gloss stain, so it's supposed to leave a stain. I love the color. The color is sienna, and the packaging is also so nice and super high-end. I've been loving all the lip stains and lip glosses lately, so I can't wait to try this. And this is valued at $24. So you can see that you are paying way less for all full-size products for this bundle. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave a discount code in my description box below and enjoy a discount. Try it out, and if you don't like it, you can always cancel. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. I do a bunch of DIY videos, and I'm trying to do a little bit of different content here. So if you like that and if you like makeup, make sure you let me know in the comments down below. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.